Are you looking for the best printer under $250? In this video we will look at some of the best printer under $250 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Canon imageCLASS MF455DW. The Canon imageCLASS MF455DW is a high-performance multifunction laser printer designed to meet the demands of modern office environments. With a printing speed of up to 40 pages per minute, this printer is capable of handling high-volume printing tasks efficiently. It supports paper sizes up to 8.5 inches by 14 inches, making it suitable for various document types, including legal-sized documents. One of the standout features of the imageCLASS MF455DW is its impressive paper handling capacity, with a maximum capacity of 900 sheets. This means fewer interruptions for paper reloading, enhancing productivity in busy offices. Additionally, the printer is backed by a 3-year limited warranty, providing peace of mind and assurance of its durability. Security is a top priority for many businesses, and the imageCLASS MF455DW offers robust security settings that can be configured behind an administrator login. This ensures that sensitive documents and settings are protected from unauthorized access. Number 2. Brother HLL3270CDW. The Brother HLL3270CDW is a digital color printer designed to provide fast and efficient printing capabilities, making it an ideal choice for various printing needs. This printer offers a range of features to enhance productivity and convenience. One of the standout features of the Brother HLL3270CDW is its impressive print speed, allowing users to print up to 25 pages per minute. This rapid printing capability ensures that tasks are completed quickly, making it suitable for both home and office environments. In terms of color printing, the Brother HLL3270CDW delivers professional quality, vibrant color documents. It employs laser printer technology to produce sharp and vivid color prints, ensuring that your documents and graphics look impressive. The printer has a paper output capacity of up to 150 sheets, providing ample space for printed materials to stack face down. Number 3. HP OfficeJet Pro 9015E. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9015E is a versatile all-in-one printer designed with small businesses and home offices in mind. This printer comes with several notable features and benefits that make it a suitable choice for those who require professional quality color printing. One of the standout features of the HP OfficeJet Pro 9015E is the 6-month free ink offer when you activate HP Plus. With this promotion, you receive a complimentary 6-month subscription for the instant ink delivery service. This service ensures that your ink supply never runs out, as ink ships automatically. After the initial 6 months, a monthly fee applies unless cancelled, and this subscription can save you up to 50% on ink costs over time. In addition to the ink offer, the HP Plus activation unlocks a range of free smart features. These advanced features are designed to enhance your printing experience and include mobile printing capabilities, improved security measures, automatic updates, and more. It's important to note that HP Plus functionality requires an HP account and an internet connection, and it's intended to work seamlessly with original HP ink throughout the printer's lifespan. Number 4. Epson Workforce Pro WF7840. The Epson Workforce Pro WF7840 is a high-performance multifunction printer designed to cater to the needs of businesses and professionals requiring high-speed, wide-format printing capabilities. This printer employs precision core heat-free technology, which allows it to deliver impressive print speeds of up to 25 pages per minute in black and 12 pages per minute in color, all while supporting large format prints of up to 13 inches by 19 inches. This speed and versatility make it an ideal choice for offices and work environments that demand efficient and high-quality printing. One of the standout features of the Epson Workforce Pro WF7840 is its high-precision printing capabilities. It boasts accurate dot placement and utilizes DURA Bright Ultra Instant Dry Pigment inks, ensuring that it produces professional quality prints with crisp text and vibrant colors. This level of print quality is essential for businesses that require sharp, attention-grabbing documents and graphics. Number 5. Canon G7020. The Canon G7020 is a versatile and innovative wireless 4-in-1 printer designed to provide convenience and cost efficiency to users. One of its standout features is its integrated ink tanks, which have the capacity to handle up to 6,000 pages in black and white and 7,700 pages in color. This capacity ensures that users can print a substantial number of documents without the hassle of constantly replacing ink cartridges. A key selling point of the Canon G7020 is its ability to seamlessly integrate with Amazon's Alexa. By connecting the printer to Alexa, users can receive notifications when their ink levels are running low. What's more, Alexa can even place a smart reorder from Amazon on the user's behalf, simplifying the process of restocking ink supplies. This is particularly convenient because it eliminates the need for a subscription service, allowing users to order ink as needed without worrying about overstocking or running out of ink at inconvenient times.